subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
When I was offered Nagin and मुझे लगा शायद हीरो के लिए फोन किया होगा क्योंकि अब आज तक हीरो ही बने हैं भाई और हीरो बनने की आदत है. This is me stepping out of my comfort zone and being conniving, mean, dark, edgy, kamina. Honestly, I did not see the first episode because I was really nervous about it कि पता नहीं मुझे कितनी लोग ट्रोलिंग करेंगे, कितने लोग बुरा बोलेंगे, पता नहीं कितने लोग क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे. तो सेट पे भी कोई बोलता ना चलो अरे हीरो का शॉट रेडी है तो मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ ओके जी. कहता नहीं सर वो हीरो आप विलन है. I've never worked with Surbhi, but I remember watching one or two episodes of a previous show कि जब शॉट कट होता है तो वो she's so full of life, हमेशा वो चलती कुछ बात करती रहती हैं. And it's good, yeah. I think the kind of energy she has on set, which is great. Where we both were a little uncomfortable because we don't know each other. And इतना intense scene था कि आंखों में देख के बात कर रही है and say those lines, and so it was not easy, but luckily it went off really well. I've seen people who were trolling me are loving me the most, right? So it's fair enough, yeah.
So welcome to India Forum, Sharad.
Thank you, Ashima. Thank you.
तो उस इंटरव्यू में जो हमारी बात हुई थी कि you are looking for some projects, you are going for the meetings, so finally this was the meeting, Nagin?
Hey, actually there were a couple, but this actually happened a little later.
Okay.
But glad it happened, yeah. I mean, it's definitely. हाँ जी, बताइए, sorry.
No problem. सबसे पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर करने के लिए हाँ कैसे किया आपने? Because I know एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं एक्टर्स बिकॉज हम एक हीरो को एक विलन के अवतार में देखेंगे. So what made you to say yes for a negative role?
For me, obviously, I was hinting around for quite some time that I want to do something different. I think a lot of my telephonic interviews, a lot of my portal interviews, I'd always mentioned that I want to do something grey, I want to do something dark, I want to do something edgy. I think maybe in the lockdown I saw some very interesting stuff, some very good web series, I don't want to name it, but I thought yaar ye karenge kuch different ho. It should not be like the regular good boy, sanskari beta, sanskari pati. मतलब कुछ अब थोड़ा different हो, थोड़ा हटके हो, जो लोगों ने शायद expect ना किया हो, थोड़ा bad होना interesting है, spicy है. So I want to do something spicy, and I think luckily, very fortunately, I think when I was offered Nagin and वो तो ठीक है, तो मुझे लगा शायद हीरो के लिए फोन किया होगा क्योंकि अब आज तक हीरो ही बने हैं भाई और हीरो बनने की आदत है. तो जब मुझे मैम ने कहा कि as Veer, we want you to do this as the quintessential bad boy और आज तक जो शायद आपने नहीं किया है. So I was very excited. I was extremely because I was not expecting कि कोई मुझे ऐसा कुछ भी ऑफर करेगा टेलीविजन, because टेलीविजन में आपकी एक इमेज बन जाती है कि आप पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेंगे जिंदगी भर मरते दम तक. So for me to kind of being offered this, I think it was I think I'm very fortunate, very lucky, and I think with every character of mine I've been very lucky, and I always say that the kind of characters I've played in the past, and this also Ashima is completely crazy. It's this is me stepping out of my comfort zone and being conniving, mean, dark, edgy, kamina. जो usually लोगों ने नहीं देखा है. तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि मतलब खुद भी एक्सेप्ट करना कि आपको ऐसा एक कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, उसके बाद आपकी जो मेकर हैं उनको ये विश्वास दिलाना, बिकॉज एकता मैम हैड अ विजन कि मेरा वीर ऐसा होगा. तो टू ब्रिंग दैट टू लाइफ इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली then it's you guys, the media family, the viewers, the fans, my own family. तो इतनी expectations सबको होती है कि when Sharad will do a character, it should be very different and very interesting. So there's so many expectations and the pressure was so high. But then I think for me it was the most important thing. Cut a long story short, is I have to enjoy, and I was really looking forward to do something different. Be it my look change and wearing contact lens and with all the paraphernalia, the accessories, the beard, the walk, the talk, everything has to be very different. So
Yeah,
the
I
first
saw the episode and you were
yeah,
looking totally different. So I was like, oh, finally he's doing negative and he wanted to do something different and now he's experimenting it.
correct.
And you know, when you're doing negative role, when you are a bad boy, when you are a villain in the show, जो एक लव स्टोरी होती है उसमें ऑब्वियसली वो थर्ड एंगल होता है. तो फैंस का जो अब तक आपको एक प्यार मिलता आया है, so are you ready for the negative comments also? I know it's kind of एक एक्टर के लिए एक तरीके से अचीवमेंट ही है, जो आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है इसलिए लोग आपको हेट कर रहे हैं. बट आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट?
Yeah, I was a little apprehensive in the beginning because I didn't know how my fans would react, how people would react. Honestly, I did not see the first episode because I was really nervous about it कि पता नहीं मुझे कितनी लोग ट्रोलिंग करेंगे, कितने लोग बुरा बोलेंगे, पता नहीं कितने लोग क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे. बट लेट मी टेल यू, मैंने रात को कुछ 2:30-3 बजे के आसपास मैंने और रिप्सी ने चुपचाप हम लोग गए ऑनलाइन और हमने सोशल मीडिया चेक किया. एंड आई लिटरली वेल्ड अप बिकॉज आई थिंक द फर्स्ट एपिसोड जब मैं हेलमेट उतारता हूँ और मेरी आंखें दिखती हैं फर्स्ट टाइम, यू नो, सो आई हैव ग्रे आईज एंड आई ट्राइड टू कीप इट एज रियल एंड एज नेचुरल. मैंने कुछ वो ओवर एक्टिंग जैसे हम लोग करते हैं कभी कभार, जैसे नेगेटिव शेड को करनी पड़ती है, विलेन को करनी पड़ती है, मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. मैंने आई केप्ट इट वेरी सिंपल, आई केप्ट इट रियल. आई थिंक जो लोगों को शायद पसंद आया है, मैंने उसमें कोशिश किया है कि मैं उसको जितना मैं कमीना कर पाऊँ, जितना कनाइविंग कर पाऊँ, जितना मैं उसको ईवल कर पाऊँ, लेकिन अपने तरीके से. So I think that is something which I think people have kind of connected with, and surprisingly, Ashima, you know, a lot of my media friends have messaged me saying that this is not you, ये कोई और है. You know, so अच्छा लगता है यार, because when my own people and you know, people from all over the country, people even from abroad have messaged me saying that, you know, this is not you, this is somebody else. So yeah, so I think it gives a lot of encouragement. It's very motivating, very you know, it's quite it gives you that confidence that what you're doing is right and maybe you have to work harder. So yeah, so I think I was scared the first day, I was very scared, but gradually वो डर थोड़ा कम हो रहा है. अभी भी डर है क्योंकि पता नहीं कुछ लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया है, काफी लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया है, अभी और लोग हैं जिनको एक्सेप्ट करवाना है. बहुत नए लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, यू नो, फैन फॉलोइंग बढ़ रही है. तो जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते उनके मुझे बहुत मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि you know, हमने कभी आपका काम देखा नहीं है, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट देयर कैन बी अ बेटर विलन देन यू. तो सुनने में थोड़ा अजीब लगता है यार, आज तक तो हीरो ही सुना है, तो अभी कोई विलन बोलता है तो मैं थोड़ा आसपास देखता हूँ कि यू नो, आर दे टॉकिंग टू मी और समबडी एल्स. यू नो, तो सेट पे भी कोई बोलता है ना, चलो अरे हीरो का शॉट रेडी है, तो मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ ओके जी, कहते नहीं सर वो हीरो आप विलन है. तो या, सो it's interesting here. I'm liking it.
And what kind of reviews are you getting from, you know, the friends and from the industry?
It's touchwood. I think it's been a lot of congratulatory messages, and a lot of people are telling me that this is not you. We have not seen this side of yours ever, and this is very mean side of yours. It's a very dark side of yours. I think maybe I've never tapped that side of mine. All of us, you know, we are very grey. Nobody's black or white. So I think I've always played that very white character, you know, absolutely good, positive, something which I've never tried, and luckily I think I'm getting an opportunity to try in probably one of the biggest franchises in India. I think Nagin is huge. I think Nagin 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can imagine the fan following Nagin has is crazy, which I didn't know. I knew it was a big show, but अभी जो पता लग रहा है कि अलग ही, मतलब ये अलग ही लेवल की, जो कहते हैं ना, it's frenzy, it's madness. और लोग पता नहीं, लोगों का जो इतना एक डिफरेंट साइड मुझे देखने को मिल रहा है, जैसे उनको मेरा साइड देखने को मिल रहा है. You know that it's interesting, and I think I'm really liking it. Definitely the pressure is a lot. The channel and Ekta ma'am again obviously expects a lot out of me. This is my second outing with Paraji and Colors both. So yeah, so I think it's going back to family. Hoping that you know, people hate me, not hate me, but hate the character.
Yeah, and also, do you believe in supernatural genre, and have you seen Nagin? Any season have you seen it?
Yes, I have seen a few episodes. I had seen Hina Khan and Dheeraj and Mohit. I'd seen that episode, and let me tell you, I think Hina looked gorgeous. Absolutely, I think she looked drop dead gorgeous. And Dheeraj also, I think I loved his look and everything. And Mohit, I think everybody did really well for their part. उसके बाद में जब reincarnation होता है तो automatically लोगों की expectation बहुत बढ़ जाती है because they've laid the and it's about a battle which has started in Satyug and it continues till Kalyug. So this is the culmination, like season 5 is the culmination of everything. So there's going to be like an epic battle between the Nagin and the Cheel. So yeah, let's hope may the best person win.
And also, Trio ने ये show open किया and now you guys are carrying it. You guys are the main people now who will run the show. So उस time पे जो TRPs आई थी काफी different थी और अभी जो आ रही तो कितना pressure भी एक होता है ना कि जब एक Trio ने open किया उस time पे TRPs ऐसी थी और अभी हम लोग हैं. So वो pressure के बारे में being an actor.
I think you've known me for all these years. मैं कभी TRP के बारे में सोचता नहीं होता यार. I mean ठीक है आज ज़्यादा है कल कम है फिर ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. I think the most important thing is connecting with the audience. I think the more you connect with the audience now, फिर TRP वगैरह कुछ मायने रखती नहीं है because then it's about them watching the show for you or for the character or for your friends or for whatever once the people connect with the show and with the characters, that is it. उसके बाद में फिर और कुछ नहीं रहता. So we are, even Surbhi, Mohit and myself, we are trying our level best कि playing our characters in our own respective ways and आगे की जो कहानी बहुत interesting है. It's very exciting and when you have Ekta ma'am with her creative genius mind and her writers and her creatives, you have the directors, the best directors in the business, the technicians. क्या बोले यार, मतलब it's like सोने पे सुहागा.
Yeah, and काफी different cast है. आप तीनों को कभी हम लोग ने on screen साथ में नहीं देखा है. बहुत refreshing है हम सब सारे audience के लिए भी. So अगर पूछें कि set की अगर बात करें behind the scene, अगर पूछें कि how's the chemistry between all three of you?
See, we barely shot together. I have done scenes with Surbhi maximum. I've never worked with Surbhi, but I remember watching 1 or 2 episodes of a previous show. तो बहुत अच्छा show था, a very romantic show और बहुत ही अच्छा show था. And definitely she's a very talented woman and एक बात है कि जब shot cut होता है तो वो she's so full of life. हमेशा वो चलती कुत्ती बात करती रहती हैं. And it's good, yeah. I think the kind of energy she has on set, which is great. And Mohit also थोड़ा सुलझा है, quiet. So it's a nice balance. I'm a mix of both. So it's like all of us are kind of complementing each other in a way. And so I think we talk about food, we talk about traveling. Surbhi and myself, we did a scene, my first scene with her, where we both were a little uncomfortable because we don't know each other. And इतना intense scene था कि आंखों में देख के बात कर रही है. And it's a very it's a little seductive scene also where I'm trying to kind of just look at her and say those lines, and so it was not easy, but luckily it went off really well. And I think both of us, I think now obviously we're comfortable because we've done a few scenes and एक understanding है, एक mutual respect है. So yeah, so I think we are hoping कि आगे चल के तीनों धमाल मचाएं.
And also, अभी आपने बोला seductive scene है, अभी romantic scenes भी होंगे, बहुत सारी scenes होने में ऐसे होंगे जहाँ पे you have to come little close and all. उस दौरान precautions लेना and actors के लिए कितना tough हो रहा है to portray actually दिमाग when ये COVID वगैरह कुछ नहीं था तो you guys you can play around and all, but अभी कितना difficult हो रहा है for actors?
See, as an actor, I think once you're on set, you have to forget all the pandemics and the epidemics. अगर वो याद रहेंगे तो आप काम नहीं कर. That is one thing which is unfortunate. It's risky, it's scary, but we have to do it. But luckily, I think the production has taken very good care of us. The regular sanitization, thermometer checks, fumigation, PPE kits, ये सब कुछ है. So somewhere that you are safe also. So whenever I'm like reaching the set, or whenever I'm on set, I wear a mask, and shot ke pehle I have to take it off. So once the mask comes off, then you don't think about any COVID or anything, because you can't think and perform. So yeah, so when you have such close proximity scenes, and then you don't think, but then you have to. It's a part of the job. So
Yeah. So डर नहीं लगता है कि यार कुछ
yeah.
क्योंकि अभी कितने सारे सेट्स पे हो रहा है कि एक्टर्स पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं, इतने प्रिकॉशंस लेने के बाद भी, सो एक फियर होता है ना मन में, तो उस पर्सनली कुछ प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हो आप?
आई नो, मैं हमेशा से बहुत पॉजिटिव रहा हूँ. लकली मैं कोरोना पॉजिटिव नहीं हूँ अभी, बट आई थिंक इट्स
होगा भी नहीं.
तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं एक इंडिविजुअल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है कि जैसे मैं अपने स्टाफ को बोलता हूँ कि मुझे यार गर्म पानी देते रहो पूरे दिन में, ये थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग खुद कर लेते हैं, ब्लैक कॉफी पी लेते हैं, कितनी गर्म चीजें कंज्यूम करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं कि कोई ज्यादा पास में ना आए, सोशल डिस्टेंस और मेंटेन करते हैं, कोई अगर आ भी जाता है तो चुपचाप वहां से निकल पड़ते हैं, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which we have to do individually also. It's our responsibility. But apart from that, Ashima, we can't do much because we are working in such an environment, and acting is a job where you can't maintain distance when you are performing. तो अगर आपको किसी को हक करना है या किसी को किस करना है या किसी का हाथ पकड़ना है, आपको करना पड़ेगा, तो हम दूर से नहीं कर सकते. It's a requirement of the scene. तो yeah, fortunately, unfortunately, आप जब घर से निकल ही आए बाहर और जब कर ही लिया है सब कुछ, तो I think it's okay. We've taken the risk, so it's okay.
Okay. For Indian television, the concept of seasons in daily soap is rather new. What are your opinions on that?
I think Nagin has changed everything. It has changed the face of Indian television. Rather, it has changed the face of fantasy fiction genre जो है. I never thought कि there would be a show called Nagin जिसका सीजन आएगा, फिर उसका फर्स्ट सीजन आया, फिर सेकंड आया, थर्ड आया, फोर्थ आया, फिफ्थ आ गया. So you can imagine the kind of popularity it has, the kind of legacy Nagin has, and I think anybody would love to be a part of it. And somebody asked me a very good question today that why did you give a nod to it? Why wouldn't I give a nod to it when you have 5 seasons? That if I don't give a nod to it, that means I'm doubting the viewers, I'm doubting the people who are watching it. So when you have that kind of popularity for a show, that means you have the masses watching it, and this is what the mass want to watch. There are people who are trolling it also, which is fair enough. Now you have everybody loving you all the time. Like मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, मुझे 100% लोग मुझे प्यार नहीं कर सकते, 90% करते हैं, 10% नहीं करते हैं. वो 10% जो नहीं करते हैं वो चाहते हैं कि मैं ये पूछूं उनसे कि क्यों मुझसे तुम प्यार क्यों नहीं करते. तो उनका मुझसे न प्यार करना भी मुझे पता है उनका एक रीजन है. तो अब मैं अगर उनसे पूछता हूँ यार तुम मुझसे क्यों नहीं प्यार करते हो या शो से क्यों नहीं प्यार करते हो, तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उस बात को वो चेंज करके अपने कंडीशन करते हैं अपने माइंड को. नहीं, अच्छा बंदे ने मुझसे पूछा है कि वो मैं लाइक क्यों नहीं करता हूँ, तो then they change their mind and they start liking me. I've seen this happening. I've seen people who are trolling me are loving me the most, right? So it's fair enough, यार. I think कुछ सेक्शन है जिनको ये फनी लगता है, कुछ सेक्शन है जिनको अजीब लगता है, बट मेजॉरिटी जो है उनको आज भी, जो मेरे नेफ्यू हैं, नीसेस हैं, और मेरे जो कितने बच्चे हैं, मैं जानता हूँ कि कितने लोगों का मुझे मैसेज आ रहा है, कितने ही फैमिली फ्रेंड्स का, यार my kids are watching you fly, my kids are watching you sit on the bike, so all of that which is not that I had experienced before. So it's a different kind of fan following, it's a different kind of genre, it's a different kind of excitement that you're shooting chroma and you're hanging around everywhere, you're jumping from somewhere. So it's all the Hollywood web series that you watch, it's that coming true, and so it's a win-win situation, for all of us.
Yeah, even I loved your look. I saw the episode and I really liked the look. मैंने वो episode देखा है, मैं आपको बता भी सकती हूँ पूरा episode क्या था. जहाँ अब आप उसकी friend को दफना रहे हो, फिर चील बन जाते हो, फिर बाइक पे आते हो. I've seen it. So I just want what you like to say to the fans, to the viewers. You're getting a good response, a positive response while playing negative. So what you like to say to them?
I think playing bad feels good. And I think I never expected that this kind of response I'll be getting for a character who'll be so dark and who'll be so edgy, who'll be so evil. But yeah, I think people, especially like I said, my fans obviously love me अगर मैं कुछ भी करूँ. But who have not been my fans, the lot of new people joining. For them, I think them watching the show and loving Veer is definitely. I'm really thankful to. I think lots of people out there who've been messaging me and mailing me. I mean, the last 4 days, Ashima has been completely crazy. Social media definitely has shown a lot of love. They are expecting a lot out of this particular character called Veer. They're expecting a lot of out of Veer and Bani also, because Veer and Bani के कुछ scenes हुए हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो लोग expect कर रहे हैं, जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं की. So I think all the viewers, please keep watching Nagin 5. It's gonna be 5 times more dhamakedar entertainment. It's going to be an epic battle between the Nagin and the Cheel. So please keep loving. Please don't hate me. You can love me for my character. I mean, you can hate me for the character, but love me like you've always done. It's something which I'm doing for the first time. So show some patience, some tolerance. अगर कुछ ठीक नहीं हो तो please मुझे बताना जरूर. But I'm trying to keep it as real as possible. So thank you so much. Lots of love. Ashima, to you as well.
Thank you so much. Please stay safe and follow all the precautions while shooting.
You too.
And all the best. And you're looking really good. You're looking really great in this negative role. Thank you so much for giving this interview.
Please keep watching it and let your friends and family know also.
Yes, sir. Bilkul. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.